Hey guys, Leigh here from Martinuzzi Property Group. Gorgeous property to showcase to you today. Can't wait to take you through this home. A remarkable location here in the heart of Palmwoods, set on an 820 square metre block. You've got 5 bedrooms in size, multiple living areas and a beautiful outdoor alfresco overlooking the spacious backyard. Let's go take a look. So there you have it guys, gorgeous family home set here in a beautiful location on the Sunshine Coast. This is Palmwoods, a reluctant downsizing move guys, but this one is now ready for you. Make sure you check out our next open homes or give us a call if you have any questions. It's been well looked after, certainly not a lemon. Mandarin. At Martinuzzi Property Group, we're here to help you live more fully, have more meaning and find more joy on your next property journey. We'll see you soon.